Fintech and AI, changing our financial systems. Do you know world's 14% work handling AI?
Let's start with fintech, or financial technology. Fintech is revolutionizing traditional finance by introducing innovative solutions that make financial services more accessible, efficient, and user-friendly. But how exactly is this happening? First off, fintech is enhancing payments and transactions. Digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Wallet are making it easier than ever to make purchases with just a tap on your phone. These platforms use advanced encryption and biometric authentication to keep your transactions secure and seamless. Next, we have robo-advisors. These AI-powered platforms offer personalized investment advice and portfolio management without the high fees of traditional financial advisors. By using algorithms to analyze market trends and your personal financial situation, robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront are democratizing investment opportunities. Now, let's talk about AI's role in risk management and fraud detection. AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data in real time to detect unusual patterns that might indicate fraudulent activity. This means quicker responses to potential threats and enhanced security for your financial transactions. And speaking of AI, it's also revolutionizing customer service through chatbots and virtual assistants. These AI-driven tools can handle customer queries, provide financial advice, and even process transactions, all without human intervention. This not only speeds up response times but also improves customer satisfaction. Another exciting development is AI in credit scoring. Traditional credit scoring models can be slow and sometimes overlook important factors. AI, however, can analyze a broader range of data points to assess creditworthiness more accurately and swiftly, making credit more accessible. Let's not forget about blockchain technology, which is often associated with fintech and AI. Blockchain offers a secure, transparent way to handle transactions and store data, reducing fraud and enhancing trust in financial operations. So, how are these technologies changing finance so rapidly? It's all about efficiency, accessibility, and innovation. Fintech and AI are breaking down barriers, streamlining processes, and providing new opportunities for everyone, from individuals to businesses. What do you think about these rapid changes in finance? Are you excited or cautious about the future of fintech and AI? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest in finance and technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.